When do two cycles meet? Let's find the least common multiple. Amelia has a day off every 6 days. Van is off every 8 days. We need the very first time their two schedules line up for a party. This is the smallest multiple shared by both the least common multiple, or LCM. The LCM predicts when repeating events coincide. The first step is to list the multiples for both numbers. Next, we find the multiples that are common to both lists. Finally, we choose the least, smallest, of those common multiples. Let's find the LCM of Amelia's 6-day cycle and Ben's 8-day cycle. Multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24, and so on. Multiples of 8 are 8, 16, 24, and so on. The smallest common multiple is 24. The earliest they can have the party is on day 24. Let's find the LCM of 3 and 5. This is a special case. First, the multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, and 15. Next, the multiples of 5 are 5, 10, and 15. The smallest common multiple is 15. Since 3 and 5 are prime, their LCM is simply their product. 3 times 5 equals to 15. Try finding the LCM of 4 and 10 on your own. Pause and calculate the smallest number divisible by both 4 and 10. The answer is 20. Let's quickly review the 3 key facts about the least common multiple. The LCM is the smallest multiple that 2 or more numbers share. It tells you the earliest time repeating events will happen together. The simplest method is to list the multiples, find the common ones, and select the smallest. You've mastered the least common multiple. You can now figure out the next point of commonality for any 2 repeating cycles. Tap subscribe, and see you next time.